am the ancient path upon which the history of America has trodden. I have witnessed with my own eyes the birth story of this immense continent.
Many millennia ago, this land was teeming with indigenous peoples. Their lives were interwoven with nature. Their stories were written on the mountains, rivers, and forests.
Then, one day, great ships crossed the vast ocean. People from Europe, in search of new lives, wealth, and liberty, began to settle here. But time passed, and that bond tightened. The king imposed new taxes. The colonists seethed. Their slogan was, "No taxation without representation." Then came the historic moment. July 4th, 1776. I witnessed the drafting of that great document, the Declaration of Independence. The new nation was victorious. The United States of America was born. But hidden within it was a deep wound: slavery. I saw the country divide in two. The Civil War began. Millions were freed from that curse.
Then came the Industrial Revolution, the arrival of millions of immigrants. This nation confronted two massive world wars and rose to become a global power.
Even today, I stand, a living witness to history. This journey has not ceased because the fundamental story of this country is a continuous march toward freedom.
Enjoyed the story? Like and subscribe to Stories of Heritage. See you in the next video.